Hi guys, this is Atharva Baheti from xcard.com and today we are excited to introduce you to our comprehensive ESG bundle designed to help companies follow the ESG norms. Now, this bundle includes three templates, namely ESG questionnaire, ESG report and ESG monitoring template. Now, let me just quickly show you each of these templates. Firstly, the ESG questionnaire. The ESG questionnaire basically contains a list of questions that will help you gain a better picture about the ESG norms being followed by the company or not. This includes questions related to the environmental aspect, the social aspects, and the governance aspect. For example, the first question states that does the facility have an environmental clearance or any other environmental licenses from the local environment agencies? Now, to this, the company may answer in a description form or attach any supportings or simply state not applicable or give being complied in the answer box. Similarly, there are multiple questions given which the companies need to answer. You can customize this questionnaire according to your need. You can add or delete questions whichever you feel are better for your understanding. Next is the ESG template. ESG monitoring template basically contains two sheets, namely instruction sheet and ESG sheet. The instruction sheet basically tells you how does this template work. You can just go through it once in order to understand the working of this template. Next is the ESG sheet. Now, this ESG sheet contains all the issues that you find during the year. These have been divided into three categories: environmental, social, and governance. Now, whatever you find, you can divide it under these three categories. For example, under environmental, we have stated an issue related to environmental impact and environment health and safety management system. Under social, we have stated labor and workforce related issue. Under governance, we have stated control and risk management. In the next column, you have to state the recommendations that you have given to the company during the findings of your ESG audit. For example, we have given a recommendation that XCAT should clearly define roles and designate responsibilities for EH management. Next, you have to state whether the issue that you have found are regulatory in nature, essential in nature, or desirable. Simply state R, E, or D as per the applicable norms. Next is the status column. In this column, you have to simply enter whether the recommendations given by you are pending at the year end or have been complied. If they are pending, you can put your pending, and if they have been complied, you can type your done. This have been given for multiple years. You can add or delete columns as per your requirements. And lastly, there is a remarks column. You can simply add your remarks according to your needs. Next, in this template, we have also given a summary of findings. Let me just quickly tell you how does this finding works. Now, as you can see, there are multiple rows here. First of all, there are total number of corrective actions. This total number of corrective action means the recommendations that you have given to the company during the year. There are total of 42 corrective actions that are to be complied by the company. Next, this number of done status. Number of done status means during the year whether they have been pending or done. As you can see, there are 0 number of done status. Next is number of pending status. This means the number of cases that are pending during the year. Now, below we have given the subcategorization of these issues. The total number of regulatory issues found during the year are 15, the total number of essential issues are 16, and total number of desirable issues are 11. As you can see, the total comes to 42, which matches to our total number of corrective actions. Now, once you enter here done, the count will automatically change. As you can see, in year 2, we have changed the first recommendation to done, and it will automatically change the number of done status to 1 and number of pending status to 41. And the total number of cases here is 41, which are pending cases. So you can customize this template according to your needs. Next is the ESG report. Now, the ESG report is basically a report on all your findings and action plans given to the company during the year. Let me just quickly tell you what does this report contains. As you can see in the table of content, this report contains introduction, the company overview, the key findings of the DFID ESG framework, and the corrective action plan given by us to the client. You can customize this report according to your findings and the corrective action plan given by you to the client. This report is basically a draft report. You can add or remove contents as per your requirements. So I hope you like this ESG bundle, and if you do like it, you can purchase it from our website www.xcard.com. We'll pin the link of this product in the comment section. Please do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comment box whether you require any other template from our site. We will be happy to help you guys.